Farottos, there we go. All right, so it's open. It closes at 9, so let's find out how far we are. Farottos. We're gonna have to hook up our battery because my phone is working overtime today. Farottos. Well, it says 3.7 miles, guys. Yeah, so it says 30 minutes from where we're at. Wow, mostly flat, 30 minutes. All right, guys, I guess we're doing it, but we're gonna put on a second. Oh boy, that's gonna be hard to find now. That's gonna be pretty hard to find. So what we're gonna do is go for the there we go. So we found our battery. Hopefully it'll work better than all right, guys. Yeah, without a glove, my hand is very quickly getting very cold. You see. We got juice now. We got juice to the phone. All right. Yeah, buddy. This is my first winter cycling experience, guys, and yeah, it is It is grueling. Of all the little things you got to do, you know, to stay filming, to stay hydrated, to stay warm, to stay safe. Yeah, there's a lot. Alright, so we've got 2 batteries left, guys. This one's saying 7%, the one I'm on. So I'm gonna put the other 50 that I have in there. I believe I have one that said that still has 50. So hopefully that lasts through Farotos. And then for Farotos, I'm gonna break out the old content creator GoPro 12, Hero 12, and we should have a lot of juice on there. But okay, these are the dead ones, or these are the dead ones. No. Yeah. So these are the good ones, guys. The dead ones are in the left pocket. All right, guys. Hasta la ciao ciao. Bye for now. And we'll see you at Farotos. Bye.